Rondeau sloughs are a unique and vital part to Rondeau's ecosystem. This habitat gives refuge to many species in our park, including species at risk. Rondeau sloughs are known worldwide for housing the prothonotary warbler, where it nests in cavities over the standing water the slough provides. Next time you come visit Rondeau, take a walk down our famous Tulip Tree Trail and discover for yourself how unique our slough habitats really are. Be mindful of your human footprint and keep our park and trails natural. Thanks for watching.